All right, YouTube, y'all know what it is, man. Y'all check it out. As y'all can see, we got the Wahl Vapor clipper in. So what we gonna be doing on this video, we gonna be unboxing this. I'm gonna give y'all a couple clips of me using this clipper, and then I'm gonna give y'all my review. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so once again, check it out. This is the Wahl Vapor. The packaging that it came in, you're going to have to excuse it. It's a little dirty. You know, I had it at the shop, and you know what happens when you leave just stuff at the shop. You know, it gets stuff on it, right? So I don't know if that's hair gel or shaving cream. I don't know what it is, shave gel, I don't know. But nonetheless, man, that is the package that the Wahl Vapor comes in. We're going to go ahead and open this up, and the reason why I said we're going to just go ahead and get straight into opening this up is because typically on the back, they give you a little bit of specs. However, on this, they did not. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this up so y'all can see what's inside, how the clipper looks, and all that stuff. So let's get it. So as you can see, I really don't want to drop the clipper. All right, so we're gonna move this to the side. And as you can see, we have the clipper sitting here nicely. It's a nice looking clipper, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but let's go ahead and take it out so we can get a better look. Now, mind y'all guys, I have been using this for a little bit, so it is a little dirty, you know what I'm saying? I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, so, you know, don't judge the dirtiness of my clippers. You know, I'll be putting them to work. But check it out. Here is the Wahl Vapor clipper. Wahl's been making a lot of noise with this clipper, man. I've been seeing a lot of people really interested in this clipper. And since Wahl didn't actually, this is the box they sent it in, as y'all can see. Obviously, I showed y'all at the beginning of this video, but this is how they sent it. This is not the actual packaging for the Wahl Vapor. I think that is just the packaging they sent out, like their influencers and, you know, people they're trying to get to use the clipper and do reviews for and stuff like that. So since I don't have the actual box, Wahl did reach out to me and give me some of the specs on the new Wahl Vapor clipper. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about some of the things they sent me. So it's more power without more weight, meaning it is lighter than their Magic Clip. I know a lot of people love the Wahl Magic Clip and the Wahl Seniors, and this is lighter than both, you know what I'm saying? It's ergonomically designed to fit more natural in your hand and provide more control. High-speed brushless motor with adaptive speed control ramps up to 8,000 RPMs when it goes through thick, dense hair. Rubberized no-slip grip, so we do got some rubberized grip right here. 2.5 hours of cut time with only a 60-minute charge time. So I think that's good, man. You only got to charge this for 60 minutes, and you're going to get 2.5 hours of runtime out of it. So I think that's pretty dope. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the actual blade. So we do have the F32 fade out blade. I think that's what a lot of people are interested in. A lot of people have been asking me about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some of the specifics about this blade. It's an innovative adjustable balding blade, so you can zero gap it for an even closer cut. 32 fine ball pointed teeth, reduce cuts and glide smoothly over pores. Patent pending blade design, consistent feeding and cutting, high carbon steel with black PVD chrome and DLC coatings, ultra strong, cool to the touch, rust resistant. So that's basically what this clipper is. You know, I read some of the specifications for y'all. Once again, I didn't have the actual specifications on the box. Wahl sent that to me, that way I can share that with y'all, because I know some of y'all are searching for the videos, you know, looking for stuff like that. So I wanted to make sure and share that with y'all. But let's go ahead and get back to showing what comes in this box. I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be the actual box, like the contents of this box is going to be the same thing that comes with the actual clipper. I'm pretty sure it is, right? So, you know, nonetheless, man, the 5-star, don't drop that, the 5-star series Vapor clipper. Here is the accessory box. So let's go ahead and pour this out of there so we can see what comes in here. So we're gonna open this up, and as you can see, we got some stuff in here. So we have,
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
something about the blade that I'm not gonna read. We got the pamphlet that I'm not gonna read. I'm just gonna show you what they sent us. So as you can see, we do get the charging cord. You know, I like that they do their charging cords like this. Like the cord is connected to the actual adapter, you know. So we have, that's the charging port. I don't know if y'all can see due to the thing wanting to focus on my face, but you can see that's the actual cord right there. And then we also get some nice Wahl premium guards with it. So check it out. We do get a pack of guards. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even used these guards, but I'm assuming we get the 0 all the way up to the 6, maybe the 8. I'm not 100% sure. But we get some guards, you know what I'm saying? So that's good. I know a lot of people be asking for the Wahl guards. So if you like the Wahl guards and you like this and you like their tools, this may be something you might want to get. We also get a little bottle of oil with a cleaning brush, and then we get a blade cap cover that I actually think came on the clipper, but I took it off because, you know, I had to do some content with it. So that's basically everything that comes in the box, man. Once again, let's take a look at the new Wahl Vapor clipper. Let me pull this clipper back a little bit so y'all can actually see it. I am liking the clipper. It does have a floating lever for anyone who was asking. As you can see, we have the on and off switch right here. That's the clipper on. I'm not gonna lie. I like the way this motor feels. Like you turn it on and it just feels good, right? Like there's something about the way it starts up and the way it feels in the hand with the vibration. There's something about it, man. I don't know exactly what it is, but it feels good. Like I said earlier, we do have the floating lever. Me personally, I prefer click levers. It's not an issue with the floating lever, but I just prefer click levers. But you know, Wahl really don't be putting out a lot of their tools with click levers. But nonetheless, man, that's the clipper. Once again, the fade out blade. Check that out. Charging port down here, as you can see. And then one thing I wish they would have added was like a USB-C. You know, a lot of tools are going USB-C now. So I would have really liked to see Wahl do that. But we're not here to talk about that yet, you know what I'm saying? But y'all just check that thing out, man. It's looking nice. But let's go ahead and move on and start talking about what I felt about the actual performance of this clipper. So all in all, guys, like I said earlier, I really like the motor on it. Like the way it feels in hand. It is actually really comfortable. I like that we get these little thumb grips, and you really can't see it. And I don't know if they designed it like that, but it's kind of like a little thumb groove right here. I don't know if that's how they actually tried to design it, but it does feel really comfortable in the hand like that. Probably one of my most comfortable feeling clippers as of right now. But you know, that's that. Like I said, I would have preferred a click lever, but the floating lever is fine. But like I said, we're gonna talk about how this thing worked when it came to actual cutting. So as y'all seen in the video, you can debulk with this clipper, you can fade with this clipper, you can detail with this clipper. Now, it does say that the motor ramps up when you go through thicker hair. Now, I can say that I kind of felt that, but it wasn't like a big jump to where I could be like, oh, this thing bumped up, right? But I do think still, all in all, it is Wahl's best performing clipper, at least as of right now. I like it better than the Wahl Seniors, and I like it better than Magic Clip, right? So I do think that it is their best performing clipper. Honestly, when it came to fading, I really like the way it faded. It was just easy for me to get out that bottom line with this blade. I don't know if y'all can see it is, I guess you can say it is a fade blade. And I'm assuming so because it's called the fade out blade. So you would think it is a fade blade. And as y'all can see, it is really thin. So I do like the way this blade works. And me personally, I am a fade blade type of guy. I know some people don't like fade blades. Some people prefer taper blades. And I believe you can put a taper blade on here if you'd like. They are interchangeable. But me personally, I like the fade blade on it. And I like the way it worked when it came to getting out that bottom line. A lot of people have issues when it comes to getting out that razor line or that trimmer line. So I think with this clipper and this blade, you can do that easily.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Another good thing about this clipper is you can actually hear the crunch of the hair being cut when you're using it. Now, if y'all seen my last video, the Stylecraft Saber 2 clipper unboxing and review, you'll hear that I said that about that clipper also. So I've had people ask me like, which one has more of a crunch? We're gonna get to that in a different video. I'm gonna compare the two clippers, but you can hear the crunch with this clipper. It does sound good when it's cutting, and it does feel great in hand. I think the only thing that I would want is the click lever, and that's me. But other than that, all in all, it is a great tool. It's ergonomically designed well. I like that they put the rubber grips on here. I like the colorway that they're going with it. I'm really enjoying the way this blade performs. So I really can't say anything bad about this clipper just yet. Now, I've only been using it for about 2 weeks or so. So y'all give me some time. And I know I always tell y'all I'm gonna give y'all updated reviews, but I'm gonna start doing that because people ask me and I forget, and then I would like to come back and revisit certain tools and I forget to do it. So I'm gonna start trying to do that for y'all because I know some of y'all asked me for it. So I'm gonna try to put that type of content out for y'all because I know, y'all are asking for it. So I'm gonna try to do that for y'all. But I think I am gonna revisit this clipper in about another 2 months or so. I'm gonna give me a good amount of time of using it before I come back and actually talk more about the clipper. But as of right now, it's a great tool. It is one of the tools that is gonna stay on my station along with some of the other tools that I recently recently got in. And I just can say that all in all, man, it is a great tool. I do believe they just dropped this clipper at wahlpro.com. So if you are interested and you want to buy it, you can go to wahlpro.com. And if you want to purchase it, once again, guys, you can use my discount code TANK15 at wahlpro.com. You will save 15% on that clipper instead of just 10 like my other discount code. So you can go there, get you a little discount if you want. I don't know if they're shipping out yet or what. I'm just giving you all the information that I know, and I don't know the actual price, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen for y'all because I know obviously that's something that y'all are interested in. I also do believe that Forward with Barber Supply should be getting this very soon, probably by the time this video drops. So if y'all see this video and y'all want to compare the prices between wahlpro.com and fwbarbersupply.com, you can. And remember, you can save some money at FW Barber Supply as well when you use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But check it out, man. Once again, here is the Wahl Vapor Clipper. All in all, great tool. Really enjoy using it, liking the colorway, liking the blade, liking the lever, liking the comfortability of it, just really liking this clipper as a whole. I'm liking the way it performs, liking the way it fades. Once again, really no negative things to say about this clipper. So check it out once again, man, the Wahl Vapor Clipper. Shout out to Wahl for this great tool. But y'all know what it is, man. That's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.